Good evening, dear students. I will be discussing ratio and proportion, some of the problems that are given in our book. The very first question, like you have a express each of the following in simplest form. Question number 2 is also simplest form. Let's begin with question number 3. Now, question number 3 says that a man earns rupees 90,000 in a year and spends 75,600 in a year. Find the ratio of his income, his expenditure. Now, what is his income? Question number 3. Income is equal to rupees 90,000. 90,000. Expenditure is equal to rupees 75,600. Now, the very first part they are asking, find after 6 months find his expenditure, find the ratio of his income to his expenditure. Ratio of income to expenditure will be equal to 90,000 upon 75600. Now, if you simplify this will be equal to, go by 4, or better you go by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 245, 0. 2 1s are 2 8s are 60, 2 9s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. So it will be 225 by 189. Now, second part they are saying his savings to his income. Now, if he is spending this much, what is his saving? So, saving, first of all, we have to take out. Saving is equal to income minus expenditure. ₹14,000 is his saving. Now, what we have to find? We have to find his savings to his income. Ratio of saving versus income. Saving is 14400 upon income is 90,000. So 2020 cancel. Now 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2450, again 36, then 225. Now it will be 36 upon 225. So this will be your answer. Now, question number 5, if you see, it is given a baby girl sleeps 12.5 hours every day. Find the ratio of time she is awake to the time she is asleep. Now, how much time does the baby sleep? So, sleep time is equal to 12 whole 1 by 2 hours. That means 25 by 2 hours. Now, awake time will be equal to, in a day we have 24 hours. So 24 hours minus 25 by 2 hours is her awake time. Means this much time she does not sleep. So it will be 48 minus 25 by 2. That means 23 by 2 hours. Now what we have to find? We have to find the ratio of the time she is awake. So ratio of awake time to sleep time. So what is her awake time? Awake time is 23 by 2 whole divided by sleep time is 25 by 2. So you know x by y, this is fraction. So you can very well invert this reciprocal of the second one. 2 cancel. So it will be 23 upon 25. Here we are having unit hours and hours cancelled, so your ratio will be this. I hope this one is clear. Now question number 8 says, that distribute 45 chocolates between Madhu and Pradeep. 45 chocolates are there, and then this is to be divided between Madhu and Pradeep. Madhu and here Pradeep. What is the ratio? 1/4 is to 1/6. In these two ratios, the chocolate has to be divided between Madhu and Pradeep. Now this is in fraction form and they are in ratio. So first of all, we can convert this into standard form or in simplest form. So what is the procedure to make this into simplest form? We can just cross multiply this, or we can take the LCM. So LCM of 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6 will be equal to 12. So this fraction can be converted as 1/4 into 12 is to 1/6 into 12. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So ratio is 3:2. So the chocolate is to divided in a ratio 3:2. So Madhu will get, as I have told you, division of certain parts, certain quantity into ratio. The formula was A by A plus B ratio into quantity. That was equal to first part. If you remember, if you don't remember, you please watch the video 1. In that I have made it clear. Now second part formula was B upon A plus B into quantity. Here Madhu will get how much? 3. Madhu ratio is 3 divided by 3 plus 2. Sum of the ratios into how many chocolates are there? 45. So 45. So it will be 3/5 into 45. So 25. Madhu will get how much? 27 chocolates. Madhu will get 27 chocolates. Same with Pradeep. Pradeep will get 2/3 plus 2 into 45. Pradeep will get 2/5 into 45. That means 18 chocolates. In this way we finish this question number 8. Now question number 11 says that we have a number is divided in a ratio 15:8. Ratio is given 15:8, and then the second part is equal to 56. Find the number. This is what we have to find. We don't know. So let us assume same formula, A by A plus B into quantity. So we have to find the number. So we can assume the number. Let the number be x. Then first part will be equal to 15/15 plus 8 into x, the number. That means 15x/23. Now second part is equal to 8 upon 15 plus 8 into x. Now second number is already given 56. This is equal to 8x/23. From here we can simplify and calculate the value. So it will be 8x is equal to 56 into 23. X will be equal to 56 into 23/8. 8 sevens are 56. Therefore x will be equal to certain value. We will find the value here, multiply it. 7 3s are 21, carry 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16. Okay, the number is 161. So first part will be equal to, we have framed the equation 15x by 23, that means 15 into, directly we can write 15 into 7 into 23, this was 161, okay, so 7 into 23 by 23, 23 cancel, 15 sevens are 105, so first number will be 105. So my dear student, in this way we finished our exercise 1A. The remaining sums you practice at your home. If you have any doubt, you can ask me by sending the query, okay. Maybe I will be giving you one more day time for asking you the doubts, so that I can clarify through this online video tutorial only. Thank you.